it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch.
Septic line, we had it all dug out, it poured, everything filled in. This was dug out, and we were going to have our septic line installed. I'm just showing you guys really quick here what we have going on while we're trying to build the inside and work on the outside. We have a shut off here. This is an old used shut off that I've had laying around for about 10 years. Looks like it's got a little drip there in the threads. It's not staying on, replacing it with the new, but we did pressure test it. We did pressure test the well. We have everything in, power and water. It's not completed totally yet. We're gonna finish this morning, and it is supposed to be miserable today. We're gonna get started cutting out the rest of the wall there, and right now I do have a small leak right here due to the fact that I do not have the containers sealed. So this really makes it kind of hard to start building walls and so forth in here. But this, pretty much goes to show that the first steps that you're going to want to take in putting your homes together is get them welded together and seal them up. That way you have a dry interior and you don't have to worry about this nonsense. Okay, so there's my first plate right there, welding the ends together. Next I have to weld down, and then this plate here, sorry about that, this plate will end up welding right up there like so. After I grind the whole thing and prep the metal, then after all that's done, then I should be able to prep the roof. And you have to prepare the metal, so you have to grind off all the paint and rust and get down to the clean metal. And it's still not going to weld perfectly and flawlessly due to the fact the grounding of the container and the metals necessarily aren't the purest, but it gets the job done. So let me show you really quick what I'm doing here, and then we'll move on.
Here, I can hold that.
Where's Cash?
I don't know.
Okay, so this is, in my mind, just a fantastic way to seal these containers up. I've had awesome results with this product, and I haven't seen anybody out there using this yet. Now, one thing that I did change is, since the torch down is now being applied, I don't have to weld the bars solid from, end to end. So I can get the flat bar, attach the containers, weld them together, and then I can just get right to it.
Well, today was a start of a beautiful day. No rain in the weather forecast, but Texas weather, I'm telling you. It's so unpredictable. I have thunder heads that are over us right now, and they're booming. So I gotta really hurry and rush this because this has to dry out before I can finish snow coating it. This is why these containers take so long if you live in Texas. You can think that you're gonna understand what weather is, but you wanna know what the weather is here in Texas? Look up. Okay, 80 degrees and raining, no big deal. Lightning on a shipping container? I don't think so. Cut. Welcome back, everybody. Today is going to be an incredible day. It's exciting for us because we're finally going to cut open our first door, which is going to allow a lot of light in so that we can, get rid of this false light that, nighttime works great, daytime it really is kind of a bummer with the shadowing, reading tape measures and so forth. But anyhow, I'm going to get the French doors. As you can see here, I've got it all taped out. Gonna cut it out and see if we can get this bad boy installed today. All right. Whew. Here we go. Oh yeah. Live it, love it, learn it. Now we're gonna frame it in. So,
here's the completed door. And it's all sealed up on the outside too. Okay, so we ended up getting our door all finished, which you guys have already seen. But now we are getting ready to put in our 96-inch window. Julie and I have to apologize. We are not
literally recording every single thing that we're doing due to the fact that it's the holidays, we're running our business, we're dealing with family, building the home, and you know, it's a lot to digest right now. So what we're doing is we're getting out here and working late at night. It just makes it really inconvenient to record. So we're not gonna be like, you know, channels like Life Uncontained and those awesome individuals that do a great job on showing exactly what they're doing in the container world. So anyhow, there's where we are, second week of December. Just wanted to do this quick update in order to bring you up to speed.
Well, so I'm not too sure if you can hear me or not. I do not have a recording device on, which I have ordered so that I can eliminate some of you out there from being unhappy about the recording. But as you can see, it is just dumping.
Well, here it is, very late in the evening. Today was a very busy day. We are having a hard time staying on the build here, but we've been popping out at 8, 9 o'clock at night. I think it's something like 7, 8 o'clock right now. And we have to stay on this, otherwise it's just gonna take forever, and it's just gonna seem like, you know, we're never gonna get in this thing. It is freaking nipples out here tonight. We have, I don't know, how cold is it out? It's gotta be in the 30s. It's nipples. I'm just trying to get this done. I'm gonna do that wall there, and then I'm going to, well, I was considering doing the back wall behind that, but I'm going to, let me put it this way.
Oh my God, give it up.
Okay, my wife said give it up. Hear that? Hear her in back? She's brutal tonight. You see that? Puff the Magic Scotty. So anyhow, we're out here tomorrow. I'll turn this on, and we'll move forward. Hey guys, oh man, it is cold these days. Julie and I have just been pushing through. But since I ended up recording last, which was about a week ago, we've been extremely busy outside of building the container home. And we're at the point right now to where we're really trying to get at least 4 to 6 hours in per day, 6 days a week.